Welcome to EEganizer Tutorials, the Advanced Series. My name is Kyle Aldridge. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to upload a single folder for one design, multiple design folders, and multiple zip files. Let's get started. To get started, log into your account and you will be brought to your library page. Next, let's click the menu icon towards the top right of the library page and select Upload. The upload process is broken into 4 steps. File upload, create design pods, assign tags to design pods, and review design pods. For this tutorial, we will focus on the first step, file upload. We will be uploading a single folder design, multiple design folders, and multiple zip files. Important note about EEganizer. You can upload a single file, single design folder, or many design files or folders. For EEganizer to know how to properly handle these files and folders, you'll need to select one of the 3 options for uploading folders. The first option, Single Design Pod. When uploading a single folder, all files and subfolders within will be grouped into one design pod with one thumbnail. In this example, we will upload the JKD Girl Rabbit Trio Sketch Embroidery Design folder, and one design pod would be created, containing all of the individual files within, plus one thumbnail representing this design in your library. The second option, multiple design pods based on first level subfolder. When uploading a folder of different designs, such as this Christmas folder, each folder within will become a design pod. Christmas Cookie Trio Sketch and Christmas Trees with Bows Cross-Stitch Embroidery will become 2 different design pods with a thumbnail for each design. This is a great option for uploading many designs of the same product type category into EEganizer. The third option, multiple design pods based on all subfolders, is likely the least used option. All layers of subfolders will become design pods. This means that any folder within the Christmas Cookie Trio Sketch, for example, would also become a design pod. Now that we know all of the upload options, let's upload a single folder design pod. Be sure to choose the folders option since we are uploading a single folder containing many design files and single design pod from the drop-down menu. Click Browse, select the design folder, and click the Upload button. When using the folder option, you will not see individual files within the folder if you double-click the folder. You will be able to remove individual files or add later in the upload process. Next is step 2, where design pods can be modified with the design pod editor. We will not be reviewing the design pod editor in this tutorial, but we can see below our single design pod was created. You would click continue to assign tags and finish uploading to your library. Now let's go back to our upload page and upload multiple designs. Select the folders option since we are uploading a folder containing many designs, and multiple design pods based on first level subfolder from the drop-down menu. Click Browse, select the design folder, and click the Upload button. Below the design pod editor, you will see that a design pod was created for each subfolder within the main upload Christmas folder. Quick tip: your main upload folder contains subfolders and individual files. A design pod will be created containing only the individual files and be located at the top for further editing. This is one of the main functions of the design pod editor, which we will review in the next tutorial. Reminder: when uploading multiple design pods, be sure to only upload those designs that are in the same product type and category. During the next step, you will assign these tags, and the design pods you just uploaded will be stored in your library under these tags. Finally, let's upload multiple zip files, which mirrors the previous example. Select the folders option since we are uploading a folder containing many designs and multiple design pods based on first level subfolder from the drop-down menu. Click Browse, select the design folder, and click the Upload button. Below the design pod editor, you will see that a design pod was created for each subfolder within the main Upload Easter folder. EEganizer will unzip each zip file and create a thumbnail for each design pod. What did we learn in this tutorial today? We learned how to upload a single design pod and multiple design pods, including zip files. These are great features allowing you to keep all your files associated with your designs and to upload many designs at once to EEganizer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please be sure to check out our other tutorials in this series to see all the exciting features EEganizer has to offer.